कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो खुशामदीद कहते हैं आपको अपने चैनल फैजी XRP में। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि डाटा कम्युनिकेशन क्या है, इसके कंपोनेंट्स और फीचर्स क्या क्या हैं। डाटा कम्युनिकेशन, व्हाट इज़ डाटा कम्युनिकेशन? Data communication refers to the exchange of data between a source and a receiver via form of transmission media such as a wire cable. Data communication is said to be local if communicating devices are in the same building or a similarly restricted geographical area. The meaning of source and receiver are very simple. The device that transmits the data is known as source, and the device that receives the transmitted data is known as receiver. Data communication aims at the transfer of data and maintenance of the data during the process, but not the actual generation of that information at the source and receiver. Datum means the fact, information, statistics are the like derived by calculation or experimentation. The effects and information so gathered are processed in accordance with a defined system of procedure. Data can exist in a variety of forms such as number, text, bits, and bytes. The figure is an illustration of a simple data communication system. The term data used to describe information under whatever form of words you will be using. A data communication system may collect data from remote locations through data transmission circuits and then outputs processed results to remote locations. Figure provides a broader view of data communication network. The different data communication techniques which are presently in widespread use evolved gradually gather to improve the data communication techniques already existing or to replace the same with the better options and features. Then these are data communication jargons to content with such as baud rates, modern routers, LAN, WAN, TCP/IP, ISDN during the selection of communication system. Hence, it becomes necessary to review and understand these terms and gradual development of data communication methods. Components of data communication system. A communication system has following components. Number 1, message. It is the information or data to be communicated. It can consist of text, numbers, pictures, sound or video or any combination of these. Number 2, sender. It is the device computer that generates and sends that message. Number 3, receiver. It is the device or computer that receives the message. The location of receiver computer is generally different from the sender computer. The distance between sender and receiver depends upon the types and network used in between. Number 4, medium. It is the channel or physical path during through which the message is carried from sender to receiver. The medium can be wired like twisted pair wire, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable, or wireless like laser radio waves and microwaves. Number 5, protocol. It is a set of rules that govern the communication between the devices. Both sender and receiver follow same protocols to communicate with each other. Protocol perform the following functions. Number 1, data sequences. It refers to breaking a long message into smaller packets of fixed size. Data sequences rules define the method of numbering packet to detect loss or duplication of packets and to correctly identify packets which belong to same message. Number 2, data routing. Data routing defines the most efficient path between the source and destination. Number 3, data formatting. Data formatting rules defines which group of bits or character within packet constitute data control addressing or other information. Number 4, flow control. A communication protocol also prevents a fast sender from overwhelming a slow receiver. It ensures resources sharing and protection against traffic congestion by regulating the flow of data on communication lines. Number 5, error control. These rules are designed to detect errors in message and to ensure transmission of correct messages. The most common method is to retransmit erroneous message block. In such a case, a block having error is desorted by the receiver and is precedent and order of transmission. These rules ensure that all the nodes get a chance to use the communication lines and other resources of the network based on the presets assigned to them. Number 7, connection establishment and termination. These rules define how connections are established, maintained, and terminated. when two nodes of a network want to communicate with each other. Number 8. Data security. Providing data security and privacy is also built into most communication software packages. It prevents access of data by unauthorized uses. Number 9. Log information. Several communication software are designed to develop log information, which consists of all jobs and data communication tasks that have taken place. Such information may be used for charging the users of the network based on their usage of the network resources. The effectiveness depends on four fundamental characteristics of data communications. Number 1. Delivery. The data must be delivered in correct order with correct destination. Number 2. Accuracy. The data must be delivered accurately. Number 3. Timelines. The data must be delivered in a timely manner. Late delivered data useless. Jitter. It is the uneven delay in the packet arrival that cause uneven quality. आपको मेरी ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। मज़ीद ऐसी अपडेट हासिल करने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।